Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Microsoft Edge browser is completely failing to load web pages and throwing a frustrating proxy server error, I will show you exactly how to reset your network settings and fix your connection right now. Let's get started. First, click on your Windows search bar, type Proxy Settings, and open the System menu from the search results. Scroll down to the Manual Proxy Setup section and make sure the toggle switch next to Use a Proxy Server is completely turned off. Sometimes malicious software or a glitchy network update will flip this switch on without your permission, actively blocking your browser from connecting to the internet. Next, we need to ensure your core internet properties are completely cleared out. Click the Windows search bar again, type Internet Options, and open the Control Panel app. Go to the Connections tab at the top and click the LAN Settings button near the bottom. Make sure the box for Automatically Detect Settings is checked, and specifically uncheck the box under the Proxy Server section. Then click OK to instantly save your changes. Finally, if Microsoft Edge is still showing the proxy error, we need to completely flush out your corrupted network cache. Click your Windows search box, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type exactly ipconfig //flush DNS and press Enter. After that, type exactly net sh Winsock reset and press Enter. Once both commands successfully run, completely restart your computer so Windows can build a brand new, clean network connection, allowing Microsoft Edge to bypass the error and browse the internet perfectly again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.